YouTube, it's your boy Charlie Boy Flash, can I get it? Back again with another banger. Let's go guys. Today we're doing it for the Let's go. Shut up.
Fuck what you're saying, you're holding me back and I'm moving on, get to the internet. Gunning up, pick it up, giddy up, get up, see me now, see me now. Start up big money, they're killing it, feeling it, jamming it, seeing it, living it. Money back, doing that, screwing it, logging it, jumping it, loving it. Yeah, I'm loving it. Start up big money, they're killing it, feeling it, jamming it, seeing it, living it. Start up big
Okay
money,
guys, we have
feeling
started, we're just starting now, we're gonna start shooting now. Hey, people are going crazy guys, people are going crazy. I can see around what's going on. I can see what's going on around. I got my boy Axo on the first there. Yeah, we are cooking this vlog today. I have everything planned out, you know what I mean? I have everything planned out. Today is gonna work out, I promise you guys. So stay around and subscribe to the channel. Shout out. Going over to the waterfall. I don't know if you guys can see it from this side. I don't know. I'll show you guys. Obviously you guys can't see it from this side. So the photo shoot to end there at the mountain, the waterfall, far that side. Shout out. So stick around and subscribe. Damn. Yeah. Oh shit. I shouldn't have done that. Ish guys, guys, it's not easy. We're going to shoot, we're carrying this. Eh. Next Ayik. Okay, what's going? Let's try. So we are going to the waterfall, ne? There. So guys, we are going there to the waterfall there. Over there. Yeah. As y'all can see, we're going to the waterfall for the photo shoot. Guys, it's not easy. We're still going there, up there for the photo shoot. Hey, the place is nice. I can't lie to y'all. But stick around. I'm around for y'all. Just gonna take y'all through the photo shoot, what really happens when we shoot. Yeah. Shout out.
Thank God that everything leading. Oh really? Damn, I'm doing a wheelie. On God, I'm back in the city. Thank God that everything leading. For sure. Taking a mealie. On God, you wanna see me? No, you wanna eat me? For sure. Oh really? Damn, I'm doing a wheelie. On God, I'm back in the city. Thank God that everything leading. For sure.
Feeling damn. Flipping hard. Yo. Shit. We're still up and going. Hey, I can't even see this guy, guys. No. Hey, Brendan! Hey, guys. Oh, now yeah. Hey. So this is people here at the back. Yeah. Still going, you know. Shit. This guy. I can't even see him, guys. Oh shit. Hey yo, Prenzo. My boy. Wait up, my nigga. Hey, Prende. Oh, there are some places this side. Yeah. Dang. So people are chilling this side. Actually, like somewhere chill. You buying what? Water. How way? Okay, so guys, I'm here also. So the boy is buying water. So nami ngizongena nje. Ngithi ukukhuphuka nje ngimlinde ngaphandle. Yeah. It's flipping hard. Oh, see, there's some beautiful honeys here. Yeah. There's the boy there. I found the boy. There he is. So check where. Oh, the view at the back, guys. The view. Damn. The ladies, they look like they wanna take a photo shoot with us now. So people are chilling here, guys. They just chilled back. Some are on a date, you know. One special hand that I'm gonna also take out soon. Let me take you out to this type of place. You get me? Yeah. This type of place. Oh, the view. I'm back on the road, guys. I'm going. I left Brendan there. He's busy buying water. I don't know which. So I can't tell you already. The boy is a villa. Hey, yakupugela lentaba. Yo. Hello, mamas. Ngiyaphila. Ngiyakufaka ma. Yeah, we're going that side. Oh shit. Oh yeah. We're getting lost. We are here now. We are here. Oh shit, actually fire. Shit guys. Ooh. Damn. I fresh ne? So we're about to start shooting on the waterfall. So the people we're shooting with are here. Yeah. At the waterfall. With the waterfall. Just now with the boy, they're still even taking pictures. They're still trying to look good for the pictures. But we actually not the one doing like sharing the photo shoot. The other people doing the photo shoot. Yeah. A grasshopper. Oh, shit.
Get one, wrong one. I don't wanna get on the wrong one. Yeah, she tryna get the money from the wrong one. If I shoot a lot of shots, I gotta get one. Why you tryna get the money from a no one? I'm a no one, I'm a no one. I don't wanna get on the wrong one. Yeah, she tryna get the money from the wrong one. If I shoot a lot of shots, I gotta get one. Why you tryna get the money from a no one? I'm a no one. And starstruck, Starbucks, this is what you here for. Get into the money while we smoking on some mean dope. Get that, use that, yeah we finna do that. Smoke that, this is like a blue bag. Flip that, get into the fast lane. Do that, move it. Put the money back into the school bag. Flip it back and back it down, we use it. I don't wanna care on the wrong one. Yeah, she tryna get the money
Yeah?
You do you.
Guys, it's your boy Charlie Boy Flex. We're at the waterfall. I'm with the boy here. We are chilled back. We are chilled back at the waterfall with my boy. We're doing the photo shoot. Please do the most. Anybody who's watching this video, drop a comment. Tell us where to go after.
Be done.
What's up, guys? We are finally here at the waterfall. I thought I'd give you guys a close view. Please double check the screen to the most. Ningchele, what do you think about this photo shoot, and where should I go next? You know, like where should I go next? What's the next place that you want me to visit? Share with photo shoot? Please do the most. Tell me, Lapo. Drop the comments. Do the most. Shout out to my Charlie Boy Flex. You gonna get it?